Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can use Deepseek or the models of Deepseek for free, all of them. I'm going to show you a platform that they are going to help you use all these chatbots for free. So the name of the platform is POE. So in my previous videos I showed you guys how you can get access to all the types of ChatGPT, all these chatbots AIs. You can see Grok on here. My next video will be on Grok. So now let me show you guys how you can get access to the Deepseek. So the website I'm talking about is POE. They have a mobile app and I think it's on iOS and it's on Android as well. So this POE is for Quora. Let me search. Some people call it Quora. I call it Quora. So this is a question and answer platform. I think everybody knows this platform. So it's for them. They created it. So I think Quora is for answering questions. So I think that's why they came up with this initiative to bring all these chatbots together to help their users, something like that. So to do this or to use Deepseek for free on here, just create an account for free. They have a paid version, but I'll be using it for free. I always use it for free. You can see the things I do on here for free. So now you move to your Explore here to see all the available AI chatbots on there. And now let's search for Deepseek. That's going to be the best option. So you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 models of Deepseek here, which are free. So ones that are not official are from other people, but the official ones are from Deepseek themselves. So now let's choose this, which is the R1, and let's choose the V3T. So this is R1. So let's choose the V3. So let's choose this V3 here. So I think ChatGPT also has a lot of models and all of them answer questions differently. That's why I'm choosing 2 different types. So now I think I have a question copied here. Let me paste it. And you're going to see the way it's going to answer it. It's going to be quite similar, but there are differences inside. So that's it. You can see adding an editor to YouTube, blah, 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 blah. And you can see this thinking, okay, so you need to figure out blah blah blah. So this is how the real Deepseek answers questions. It's kind of weird. Their intro is weird and they'll be asking themselves some questions before they give you your own answer. And this is a bit different. This is not similar. This is a bit different. So that's it on how you can get access to Deepseek for free on your PC or on your mobile phones. So you can search for this POE app on your App Store or Android and then download it and start using all these chatbots AI for free. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. That's it.